If you're looking for some inspiration, I hope this video will help you with that. Hello and welcome my crafty friends. It's Nicola here at Creative West Aussie. Getting stuck straight into it, this is the July-September 2022 seasonal catalogue from Close to My Heart, and this page shows some bright colours. It's called Beach Party, which that's showing up there. Our summer holiday 3-hour drive is to Busselton for this year, and this is what these pages will be, or these papers will be perfect for. This layout was scrap lifted from Erin Jacobson at Crafty Concepts by Erin, and the embellishments included from the same stamp set. Flipping over to the other side is a double page layout designed by my consultant, Rebecca Cheshire. This is one that came out of the October-December catalogue. Uses the papers and stamps from this beautiful set here, and that's called Freshly Baked. It was perfect for our day out to the chocolate factory on the same trip. And I've even added a map of where we went. Now the next one is out of a much older catalogue, July-August 2020, but I don't think I purchased it until April. Yes, I wrote it here. It's called Summer Vibes. I also purchased the Picture My Life cards from this set. Here they are. So you have landscape and portrait with different colours and designs on both sides. This first set is the 3x2s, and on the other side, which is the 6x4s. This is what's left from me using those, so I have got through them. And the same goes with the sticker sheet. Some of them are missing, and I'm holding it up like this to show you that there's a little bit of shininess on some of these pieces. I'm not sure if you can see that. And these are the pages, so they're double-sided. There's 6. I've got one left of that piece. These ones are already turned over, and that's the zip strip up there, and there's another one. The first double page, you can see here, I've dropped in some of those Picture My Life cards. This is what this spot here is for journaling. I've used stickers here and fussy cut out these sunnies. So that's a page I'm really happy with. And the second one, again, haven't put my journaling, and at this top area here I'm going to put in the title in white. I think that will look really nice. Flipping it over is the third double page of 2 different occasions, again using stickers and embellishments and a Picture My Life card. Here we are having some cocktails, some more fussy cut sunnies. The next collection is called Good Vibes, and here's what's left of that. Not much actually, and I have another video coming out with this one in. It wasn't in the catalogue, and these are the stickers that are left, and I think these ones have shiny PV coatings. But I've also added in the stock card or suggested card colours, cardstock colours in here for you, which is written on the back of these zip strips, which comes in handy. So that one's espresso, glacier, lemonade, nectarine, sage. I didn't have shortbread, but this last one's Sundance. Now the 2 pages coming up are scrap lifted from Erin, so this first one and the second one. And I also used some stamps called Beach Day Treasures like she did. I'll pop her videos in at the end. Now this spot here on the right is where I'm going to use a flip flat, or here, let me find it. I've already added it to my page protector, and it's actually going to go the other way, so it's going left to right. That's my daughter swimming with a turtle, and you can see the turtle is going up to the surface. Next is the July-September catalogue. This time we're looking at a more autumn theme. It's called Crisp Air, as it says here. Here I've made 2 single pages of different events. So one's my nephew's 18th and the other is a night out with friends. Although they don't go together, I've decided they will be opposite each other so they still match, but the journaling here does denote the different dates. Something I do quite a lot actually. For my final spread, I'm working with a collection from October-December 22. This lovely pastel muted design is called Cherish. There it is. I thought these colours would look lovely on a winter layout. So I did one of my friend and I. We were having lunch at the beach on a winter's day. Up here in the right hand corner I've done some stenciling, and down the bottom left this flower is a stamp and a stencil as well, which worked out beautifully, I think. Another beautiful layout by Rebecca, but I'll put all the information in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up and I will catch you next time.